Okay, welcome back. We're going to do number 17 from exam 3A. Please make sure that you have attempted this problem before watching this video, and if you have any questions, please stop by my office, or your TA's office, or whoever's class you're in. Okay, so what would the monthly payment be for a $167,000 mortgage financed over 22 years at 5.3% interest compounded monthly? Now, 22 years is not 244 months. 22 years is actually 264 months. Now, the answer to this question is actually using 244 months. Now, if you're in the other classes, you're probably fine. But if you're in my class and you're going to use the formula that I've been giving you, I have a little bit of a change to it. So the formula that we use in our class, not that one, is this one. Okay. So the problem with the formula that we use right now is that t, which, if we were using 22 years, t would be 22. However, we're using 244. And 244, just to show you, 244 divided by 12 is 20.3333 years. And we're not going to want to put that into the formula. So instead, what I want to talk about real quick is that NT, and I actually did talk about this in class, NT stands for the number of months. Okay, so instead of using 12 times the number of years, NT is going to be 244. Okay, so in our case, NT 244. Alright then, let's get started. Alright, so 167, 1 plus 0.053. So here, yeah, instead of NT, just do 244. Okay. Now you're going to have to enter all of this into the calculator. So let's pull out our calculator. So that's going to turn it on. All right, 167,000 parentheses, and then by the way, you should be doing this along with me. Okay, so 539. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to write that down. So 539,588. By the way, when you're doing this, make sure that you don't round, write as many decimals as you can. All right, now we're going to do the other side. Okay. Clear? So we have to enter all of this in, not the m, but everything else. Okay, so I'm going to write all of that down. 437. Okay. Now we want to solve for m. Do a little algebra. Divide both sides by this 437 to get m by itself. I'm going to do that off the screen with my calculator, and you should do this as well. That way you can check your answer. make sure that you're doing this correctly. And hold on. And when you divide both sides, you will get $1,119.58, and that would be D. Now, at the beginning of the video, you would have seen a pop-up that said that this number was wrong, which it is. So let me erase it real fast, and let me put the real number in, which is supposed to be 489, 452, 5962. Alright, so if you use that number, you will get 1,119, and that should be it. So any questions, please stop by or send me an email.